Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, reading ito for Water Sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Take only what resonates ha. Hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat kasi hindi ito personal reading. Kung gusto mo, pwede kang magpa-personal reading kay Jing Tarot Reader. Ayan. Ay, siya nga pala, no? Makikisuyo na lang ako. Ito sa aming... Ayan, this is my pamangkin. Paki-search na lang, Charlotte Fab World, dyan sa YouTube. Paki-subscribe. And si Jing Tarot Reader dito sa YouTube din. Ayan, start na natin. This is for Water Sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Let's start your reading. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter. Sorry. Yung Water Sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, no? Wala pala tayong specific zodiac. Kundi water sign reading. Passion, chemistry, unexpected, and storm. May mga bagay na hindi kayo na-expect, pero hindi ka na talaga nag-expect, pero maaaring may pagbabago. I feel like with the chemistry here, some of you, no, lalo na kung ang kakonek mo is twin flame, lalo na with the twin flame dito, there's a new beginning here. Kung ano man yung mga nawala or natapos, or I feel like this person is still watching you, keeping tabs on you, tapos maaring yung iba ganito ang situation, pwedeng naghihintay ka na makipag-connect or makipag-communicate, pero out of nowhere, parang ayoko na maghintay. Bahala na lang kung magkikipag-connect siyang ganyan or hindi. Tapos, ayun, biglang naghingi ng tawad, biglang nag-message, alam mo yun, may bigla ang pangyayari sa inyo nitong person mo, which is twin flame, is your twin flame, na parang ikakagulat mo ito, na, oy, wow, first time. Parang ganun, ginawa niya to. You do have here fragmented. So for some of you, there's a problem here. There's some kind of loss na maaaring nararanasan mo or mararanasan mo na magiging dahilan para itong person na ito is mag-action because of this loss, some kind of loss. But I see you that itong connection ninyo is or itong loss na ito is maaaring maging dahilan ng malaking pagbabago sa inyo nitong twin flame na ito. So, let's talk about your person. Sino ba tong person na ito? Sino ba tong twin flame na to? This is love reading, guys. If you're not dealing with the twin flame, okay lang. Basta nakaka-relate ka doon sa reading. You do have your air sign. Yeah, you could be dealing with an air sign or meron siyang air sign sa kanyang chart, yung Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Okay, and you do have here the epiphany, breakthrough, ayan, and soulmate. So, this person is, yeah, there's a reunion, there's a reconciliation, reunion, or pwedeng pagbabalik ng message, or whatever sa inyong dalawa nitong person na ito. And soon, it will make you happy with the sun. Ayan, no? And I feel like ito yung person na magbibigay sa'yo ng strength na hindi, kaya mo yan, ganito, ganyan. Maybe kung ano man yung pinagdadaanan mo dito. Kumbaga, yung pinagdadaanan mo dito ang magiging dahilan kung bakit makakarinig ka or magbabago yung action nitong taong ito sa'yo. Like sabi ko nga, pwedeng yung hindi siya nakikipag-communicate dahil maaaring makita niya, mabalitaan niya na ikaw ay hindi okay, maaaring bigla siyang makipag-communicate sa'yo. And nakikita natin na siya yung magbibigay sa'yo ng kalakasan, ng happiness because you know, hindi nyo akalain eh. Parang gano'n, hindi nyo akalain na kahit siya, I feel like kahit siya, hindi niya akalain na mangyayari ulit atong pagbabalik na ito. Itong big change sa inyo. Kahit siya, hindi niya akalain na mangyayari ito. Ano bang emotion mo dito sa taong to? Please tell me. By the way, guys, you do have your detachment and cold. So, sa ngayon, as much as possible, ayaw mo na may maramdaman ng kahit ano sa kanya. Tell me more. yeah, nagpapaka, masculine ka dito sa connection na ito, which is, yung energy ng masculine dito sa particular card na to is like someone na parang nagmamatigas, wala, ganito, hindi, wala yun. But, you are open, just in case, no, na itong person na ito ay magpakita, magparamdam, etc. Or kung may ibibigay siya, kung ano man yung ibigay niya, you are open to that. Kung magbibigay siya ng communication, I feel like nandyan ka para tanggapin si communication. Kung magpaparamdam siya, nandyan ka para tanggapin yung pagpaparamdam. You know what I mean? And you do have your the feminine, so na-acknowledge mo or naiintindihan mo na maaari ang kaugalian nitong taong ito. Na yun yung nagiging dahilan para gawin ko na lang yung mga dapat kong gawin. Bahala siya sa buhay niya kung may gagawin siya or what, etc. This is you maybe focusing on yourself. Yung iba sa inyo, if this is a twin flame, alam mo na yung pagmamahal mo sa twin flame mo, and ina-acknowledge mo na yon, hindi mo na pinipigilan. But maybe sa ngayon, hindi ka na para mag-assume, hindi ka na para mag-expect, you know what I mean? And how about your person? Anong emotions niya towards you? Ace is here. So this person loves you. Mahal ka niya. This person loves you. And this person is really attracted to you. Attraction. Mars and Hot. This person really do love you a lot. And I don't know about you guys, pero maaaring minsan na rin siyang hindi nagparamdam sa'yo or nagpatigas or hindi siya nakikipag-communicate. So, kaya nga dumating sa point na parang hindi ka na lang nag-e-expect. Bahala na lang. Ganon. And then, itong person na ito, maybe dahil dito sa ginagawa mo, na-realize niya ngayon na dito sa connection nito, dito sa emotions niya para sa'yo, trap siya dito eh. Paano natin masasabing trap? Kasi might be, tinry niyang umalis, tinry niyang layuan, tinry niyang tigilan, tinry niyang mag-move on, but the reality is, alam niyang hindi, alam niyang mahirap. Alam niya yung emotion niya sa'yo na mahal ka niya, na that there's an everlasting love mula dito sa taong to na mahirap tanggalin basta-basta. And it is because this is twin flame connection para sa iba. So, ano ang mangyayari in the near future for you, water sign? In the near future for water sign, you do have here faith, confusion, self-worth, and remember. Okay. In the near future for water sign, you do have your shadow side, sun, and renewal. So, there's going to be a spark in between the two of you. Nakikita natin na pwedeng ito person na ito is, there's the moon. There's the moon. And nandito rin yung sun. So, ibig sabihin, itong person na ito, nararamdaman niya rin yung special connection sa inyong dalawa. And in the near future, there's going to be a spark in between the two of you. So, yung iba, pwedeng nangyayari na yung action, yung iba, paparating pa lang yung action nitong person na ito. And, wala kang magagawa. Actually, itong pagdating nitong person na ito will give you confusion. Pero, nakikita natin with the self-worth, hindi ka na, I feel like, mako-confuse ka lang sa kung ano ba talaga nararamdaman niya, ano ba talaga siya sa'yo, etc. Pero nakita natin na binibigyan mo pa rin ng halaga ang sarili mo. Okay? You are kind of like awakening sa connection na ito in a way na parang alam mo na kung ano yung dapat mong gawin. Which is to focus on your work, to focus on yourself, focus on the things around you, and not to focus with this person. Pero just in case gagawa siya ng movement, open ka lang doon, tanggap mo lang yon, etc. Yun lang. And nakakita tayo ng growth with regards to the ace. Ace here, this is Ace of Pentacles, which is the earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So nakakita tayo ng, this is maybe growth na may kinalaman sa mga bagong pinagkakaabalahan na may kinalaman sa pera, because this is money or this is career. So nakakita tayo ng growth dyan. Fulfillment is here. Whatever you're wishing in the past, pwedeng ma-achieve mo ito ngayon. Kung hindi man nangyayari na ngayon, nangyayari na, pwedeng in the near future or this year, mangyayari ito. Kung ano man yung hinihiling mo, gusto mong ma-receive, gusto mong matanggap, gusto mong ma-achieve in the past, nakikita natin na maaaring ma-receive mo ito ngayon. Okay? Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all, and bye-bye.